and I'm doing MBA in Kumaru College of Technology, and I'm here to interview about the topic given to me about the business entrepreneurs. So tell me about it.
I'm Satish, and this is a partnership firm. And we have two partners, me and my friend Raghu. And I'm an MBA graduate, finished 2009 batch, and I worked in Infosys BPO for a year, and I was searching for some business to do for last year, for 1 year, and I'm doing it. This business started just 2 months ago, and we are just in the beginning phase, and we are yet to find the actual trend of this business here, and I'm very optimistic about this.
And now we are going to get some inputs from him about this retail outlet business, and let's see what his point of view about this particular business.
Please have a seat.
Thank you. சரி இப்போ இந்த பிஸ்னஸ் வந்து நீங்கள் ஆரம்பிச்சு வந்து எத்தனை மாதம் ஆகுது?
ஆரம்பிச்சு 2 months ஆச்சு.
2 months ஆச்சு.
எக்ஸாக்ட் டேட்ஸ்னா October 3rd.
இது வந்து மோட்டிவேஷன் யாராச்சும் மோட்டிவேட் பண்ணியிருப்பாங்க இல்லை ஃபேமிலி பிஸ்னஸ் அது மாதிரி ஏதாச்சும் இல்லை தனியாக ஆரம்பிச்சு?
It's a self motivation because I also in a job and I don't want to be dependent on another person. So that's why I plan to start a business. I was looking for some business and I found there's an opportunity here, and we started it. My partner was in the government industry,
Okay.
so he has a knowledge about governments, and I am an MBA graduate, so I have some marketing experiences. So I am started it.
So how much you invest in this particular business?
It's about 5 lakhs.
5 lakhs. That is own money or from bank loans?
It's a part of own money and loan finance, and it's financed from relations only.
So why you choose this particular location? About locating near the colleges. What's the reason?
Yeah, I was looking for some, since this is new for both of us in this field, so we just wanted to start safely. So we don't have to pay here. We don't have to pay too much upfront. If we go into cities, rent will be too much. Here, this rent is about 5,000, and in cities we have to pay at least 15,000 for a. So we found there's no such shop here which is this kind of quality here. So we just found it. There's a lot of colleges, KCT, KGSL, Sankara, CMS, and all. So we just found there is also some IT companies here like KC Tech Park and KGSL campus. So we just found this will be an opportunity for us to open a shop here.
So the main reason for choosing this particular location is the students are more here, so you can make more profit.
Yeah.
That's the reason you open the shop over here.
Yeah.
So what kind of brands are available in your particular
In our brand
shop?
we have Guts. It's an international brand, and there is not much of awareness in it. We have Guts, Be Back, and some brand also Levi's, Wrangler are also available here.
So apart from garments, you are providing ideal accessories.
We are providing like wallets, belts, perfumes, body sprays, and rings also available.
This body sprays means which kind of brands?
You can have a look at that. We have Adidas, Reebok, and everything.
Which brand is moving more quickly comparing to
Normally
others?
because of the ad factor, because most people like to buy only the ad whichever is giving the ad. The most people like to buy ads, and because there is a lot of ads about ads and sector, and there are other brands also there, but it's still costly. That's Reebok and Adidas are still costly. So people, only those who know the brand value buys them. Like.
So which brand is advertised more times, the customer preferring the particular brand.
Yeah,
so other brands are not moving in the market.
Yeah. These brands are only for niche customers, and there's Adidas and Reebok, because only those people who want the high quality things will buy these products.
So okay, do we have any idea of opening some other branches in the city, in and around the cities?
Yeah, we have an idea of more branches, but it is just in the starting phase. We just want to stabilize this shop first. It will take at least 6 months to 1 year to open another, because this is just 2 months old, we need to stabilize this.
So how many members initially invested in this particular business?
Just two.
Two.
Who are these? Me and my friend.
Okay.
His name is Raghu.
He's doing whether he completed his graduate degree or
Yeah, he is a catering student, and but apart from he is not interested in going for a job. That's why he went to start a textile business in Tripur.
Okay.
Now the opportunities for textile business is quite low, so he want to divert some of this, like some of the business. So we planned and started this.
Okay, so your advice to future entrepreneurs about starting retail outlets, how it would be useful, how we can succeed?
Yeah, the first thing is the market factor. We have to analyze the market first. That's what the main thing, because we mainly we target the college students and the IT employees. We have only for men, because we don't want to risk. We don't have any much of knowledge about the ladies garments. So we started safely with men, because we know how we does and how our friends does. So we started with that, and we found the market will be good because of the college students and the IT employees. So first thing the market is the importance, and then you have to plan well, plan
Suppose,
financing and everything.
Suppose if you are opening a retail outlet in Coimbatore, in the heart of the city,
Yeah.
there you can find the college students coming and buying your particular products. There you can find more publics are coming, moving in your outlet.
Yeah.
So how you will attract the customers? By giving any offers, discount prices, like that? Do you have any
In
idea?
the heart of the city, if it's the heart of the city, not just college students, everybody will come. So we have to here because we given stocks only for college students. So because the market is only for college students, if we go into the heart of the city, we'll give all kind of products. So everybody will come, because we believe in quality, because we give the quality. First thing, attracting the customers for the first thing is difficult. First time is difficult. Once they come to the shop, they should not think it's bad, like it's not worthy. You should feel it's worthy to buy here, and they will come again.
So what's your advice for the future entrepreneurs?
Advice, that's what, follow your dreams. That's what. Don't go to a job that due to some pressure, like it. And even if you go to the job with some pressure, which job you don't like, try to go for a job which you like and you enjoy doing the most. That's all. And I went to a job, I didn't like it, and I wanted to be independent.
Okay.
So I just started this, and there are too many opportunities here for a business in India, because we have to think different. And that we should not go into the same. There are two types of things: doing the same business differently, and different business as that. There are a lot. We can see opportunity in every products, in every place. We have to pick that. That's what I have to say.
Okay, thanks a lot for spending your valuable time with us. Thank you. Wish you all the best for this.
Thank you.